Gold and silver traded with modest bearish bias for the day. We have seen gold moving towards 2303 levels, which we have discussed that below 2310 levels. We are looking forward to 2303 as the first targets, beautifully getting the support from 2303. We have seen gold recovering, while silver again $27 levels proven out to be a very good support, as we have discussed earlier in the day. With that, now what to expect with the US session, how to profit, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel in the world to give you 2 updates a day and consistently profitable updates as well. So do subscribe and comment, do like, share and comment as well. Press the bell icon to get the notifications, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch. See gold on the hourly charts forming a nice flag here. You can see this lower highs, lower lows here. We have to wait for it to now break beyond 24 levels. Yes, if you see it is staying about 23, 24, 26 zone, possibly that should be the level beyond which we can look forward to a rise towards 23, 30, 32, and any move about 23, 30, 32 is a confirmation of a reversal on the hourly charts, and then we can expect gold to trade bullish for the day, moving towards 2338 and in fact 2340 levels. Now if you look at the hourly charts, see nice lows formation here, trying to bounce back. We have to just wait for it to break beyond 23 2022 levels, beyond which more bullishness may. The MACD, which was the exponential moving averages, which are on the verge of a crossover now, have not yet crossed over and are positioned at a single position. Thus we have to wait for it to stay above these levels, and that is why I say 23 20 22 levels are going to play a major role. Stochastic rising, MACD, now look at MACD crossing over here at the bottom, trying to look with divergence, trying to trade bullish, looking upwards. RSI is rising as well, coming to 2. If you look at 2-hour chart, see symmetrical formation, these two candles symmetrical, these two candles are going to be symmetrical as well, where we are looking forward to higher highs here. Now my worry point here is this, just gold needs to give a breakout here on the 2-hour charts. Right now it is trading in this bearish channel here. We have to wait for it to give a confirmation, and which will be only if it stays about 23 24 26 levels, which will take it towards 23 30 32. Similar observation also if you look at the 2-hour charts, after the drop here, rise, retracement, forming a nice consolidation zone here, then again a rise, slightly higher levels, then this is the retracement, and if it gives a breakout, it is going to be a stronger one. Stochastic rising here, MACD is bearish, trying to converge. If it crosses over, we can lead to it can lead to little bullishness. RSI rising, coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, see this preceding two candles, lower highs, lower lows, and this candle opened with the support at 2315 and now trying to rise. Yes, if it stays about 23 20 22, certainly we will look forward to 23 24 26 zone, which is going to be the first resistance zone, and then 23 30 32. Beyond 23 30 32 is where the bulls will take over, forming a nice flag. A breakout is going to be stronger. You have to be trading with caution on the downside. Now on the downside, where you can expect that it is see again, if you see it is staying below 2312, that is the point of time we can say now it will again get a downward pull, where it may try to move towards 2308 2303 zone, and below 2303 is where we will look forward to a sharper fall. Stochastic almost flat, MACD is bearish, trying to converge, RSI is trying to trade bullish. Coming to 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts, if you see higher highs are done, it is getting a little resistance here at 2318 levels, and yes, this is also forming lower lows on the 4-hour charts. Thus it is very important for gold to now stay above 23 20 22 zone. But looking at the tail on the preceding candle suggests that the bullish momentum may continue here. But if you look at 4 to 5 candles in succession, see first of all a reversal sign is seen, we have seen bullishness, then a pullback from the downside, and now it is the candle which might show a break. Right now on the upside, the resistance is getting stronger. We have to wait for it to stay above 2022 levels, and on the downside, yes, below 2312 2310 zone is where the bears might try to take over. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising, the MACD is almost on the verge of a crossover for sell, RSI is staying flat. Coming to before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 31st mentorship batch starting next week. Register yourself now, reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Ping me on Telegram or email for your queries. And Those who had asked me to recommend a broker, that is also shared now in the channel and video description. Join the broker and enjoy trading with lowest spreads on offer with a swap free account and no hidden charges. So do register and enjoy trading. Now look at the daily charts. Now see on the daily charts what has happened on the preceding candle. We have seen a pullback. Now if you connect the dots here, you will find two candles with lower highs, lower lows. Where are the highs of this channel? Around 26 levels, and that is also makes this level as a stronger resistance zone. Now if it breaks out beyond 23, 30, 32, we have again and again I am highlighting these levels. We should be waiting for a stronger bullish move of similar size. If it stays above 23, 30, 32 zone, then I will be looking forward to 23, 40 and 50 levels as well. But for such bullishness, we have to wait for a breakout. Right now, I can see that it is done with the lows for the day and it is trying to recover a little on the upside. Let's see if it continues with this momentum. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD has been trading with bearish bias. It has to converge crossover in order to stay bullish. RSI almost staying flat. So looking at this, very simple. Buy at 23, 20, 22 zone. Wait for 26, then 32, and then beyond that we can look forward to stronger rise, taking it till towards 2340 plus levels. Though such a stronger bullish momentum doesn't appear to be the case today, as there is no news, but these are markets. When it gives a breakout, certainly it is going to be stronger one. On the downside, I will recommend a sell at 2312, 2310 zone. You can wait for 2306, 2303 as the first target zone, and then below 2303 there is going to be a sharper fall, which is going to take it towards 2295 and 2290 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. See silver on the hourly charts again. Just connect the dots here: lower highs, lower lows, rise here, retracement, lower lows here, then again a rise here, and it can reverse from here as well. Right now we can see that it is, yes, it has achieved 20 period moving average. It is getting a little resistance here. On the upside, we also know that 2740 is going to be one critical level which it needs to break in order to confirm a, and that is the only level above which we should treat silver as bullish. If it stays above 2740, consider that we are looking forward to a stronger rise towards 2760, 2780 levels. Right now, yes, it is trading in a bearish channel. Where are the highs and lows? You can check yourself. Only bearishness is below 27. That is also very clear. Stochastic is showing a rise. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for the buying entries, and the RSI is almost flat. Coming to 2 on the 2-hour charts, we can look forward to right now in an indecision mode. Let it take a shape. Any breakout beyond 2730, 2740 zones should be considered as a reversal possibility, where we can look forward to for it to break beyond 2740, 50 zone in order to confirm further rise. Yes, it is forming a nice flag. It has to come out of this flag formation in order to confirm the reversal. So for now, gold and silver are almost giving the same charts. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is bearish, and RSI is almost flat. Coming to 3 hour. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, yes, trying to take a shape, taking a resistance from the median of the Bollinger Bands. I do expect that it should move towards 2730 and in fact higher levels. Even if it is bearish, it has to achieve the highs before reversing. Look at the trend here: drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, and it should retrace. And yes, possibly we have to wait for a breakout as well. Right now, it appears it is not in a mood to give a breakout. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence in bearish. This is a slight worry point because this crossover has come at a slightly higher levels, which calls for it to continue with the bearish momentum. RSI has dropped. Coming to 4-hour. On the 4-hour charts, look at the preceding two candles. Look at these two candles, almost identical, almost symmetrical. One with a push from the downside, one again it has a pull, but it is getting a push, and see it is closed again at the same zone. So this zone has become critical for silver, and thus, as I say, if you see it is staying below 2720 levels again. This level has to be 2720, below 2720. That will confirm slight bearishness. But when I say slight bearishness, you can find out there are good great support here at around 2710 and then $27 levels. Below 27 is where we are looking forward to a drop towards 2680 and lower level. As it is still not showing much bearishness, stochastic is retraced. MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell, and RSI is staying flat. On the daily charts, if you look at, so far we have seen it swinging. For the day, we have seen silver achieving lower highs, and lower lows. It appears that it is going to stay range bound. It is not willing to break beyond 27.50-60 because that is going to be a breakout which is going to yield a stronger bullish move here. Right now we can see a range bound movement. Stochastic has retested to the overbought. MACD is trying to converge and RSI staying. Thus, considering this, I will recommend you to buy if you see silver is staying above 27.30 levels here. Yes, if you see lower prices of silver above 27.30, you can initiate a buying entry, and this is going to be riskier. Let me highlight this because 27.40, 27.50, very strong resistance exists there, and let me include 27.60 as well. As long as 27.60 is not taken today, you have to strictly trail your stop losses, else prices might reverse. We have seen a swing, we can expect it to stay in the swing zone as well. So beyond 27.60 is where I will not say that it is going to look back, because beyond that 27.80 is going to be the first resistance, and then 28 levels will come into picture. On the downside, a selling entry now can be taken if you see it is staying below. If you see the higher prices below 27.20, you can take a sell, but again it is riskier. 27.10, $27 levels, two very strong support levels. Below 27 is where we are looking forward to a sharper fall, which is going to take it towards 26.80, 26.60 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, and do not miss to join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and do not miss to press the like button. Do share, subscribe, and comment as well. See you again tomorrow with more updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.